Hello everyone, how's it going? Hope you are staying well and perhaps some of you enjoying a much desired holiday. Now, today, technology has integrated with business to become something more than just hardware or software. As digital technology becomes more pervasive and companies move further in the journey of digital transformation, digital strategy and business strategy will be the same thing. For now, it is still useful to use the term digital strategy to focus on the effort behind digital initiatives. Now, there is a tendency to talk about digital transformation interchangeably with digital strategy. The two terms are somehow closely related but different in scope. Now, in this video, we look at the key differences between digital strategy and digital transformation, going deeper into understanding how digital strategy compares with IT strategy and what are the common elements of digital strategy. So let's look at digital strategy in the realm of digital transformation. Now, digital transformation drives change in typically three key areas: customer experience, operational processes, and business models. Now, the process of digital transformation requires coordination across the entire organization and involves business culture changes as well. Digital strategy, on the other hand, focuses on technology, not culture. Digital strategy is most relevant to changes in business models and uses technology to create the capabilities a company needs to become a digital business. Now, setting down a strategy is a key component of the transformation process and ensures that technology is being implemented in a way that supports the business objectives. Digital strategy encompasses technology to improve business performance, whether that means creating new products or reimagining current processes. It provides the direction an organization will take to create new competitive advantages with technology, as well as the tactics it will use to achieve those changes. This usually includes changes to business models, as new technology makes it possible for innovative companies to provide services that weren't previously possible. It should eventually lead to the creation of a concrete plan or a roadmap. Now, while you can keep changing the specific tactics you have decided to pursue, there should also be a clear commitment to your understanding of what digital actually means for your company and its objectives. Now, digital strategy versus IT strategy. Now, digital strategy looks for ways to use technology to transform activity and therefore business, whereas IT strategy aims to transform technology in isolation from the rest of the business. Traditionally, the process of IT strategy has been to determine which technologies to invest in based on the current direction of the business. Digital strategy instead looks at the activities and processes that need to be transformed to provide better services for customers. Then it looks for the right combination of technologies and strategies that can be combined to create these experiences. Digital leaders have found new competitive advantages and opportunities for growth by making this shift in strategy. So, what are the common elements of digital strategy? First, choose a leader. This is arguably the most important part of creating a digital strategy, but choosing the right person will depend on company culture, structure, and priorities. Whether companies place leadership with the CEO or an appointed chief digital officer, the leader's influence will need to match the scope of digital strategy. Otherwise, it will be difficult to create the full buy-in from each department necessary to make effective changes. Second, attack versus defend. Now, companies would do well to categorize their potential threats and opportunities in digital business, then compare these against their own purpose. This clarifies whether a proactive or defensive stance needs to guide new initiatives. Third, take a measured approach. Now, digital strategy often incorporates a process for assessing whether new technology will really complement or grow the current business. If you fear that your company is already behind on digital, it can be tempting to rush into a project without looking at how it fits your current strategy. By taking a measured approach, you can actually avoid wasting resources on initiatives that don't align with your business's needs and priorities. Fourth, future proofing. Now, the goal of digital transformation is to create an appropriate foundation for digital business. This means creating an organization that can continue to reinvent itself as necessary to keep up with changes in technology and customer expectations. Now, digital strategy should be visionary enough to carry companies through changes in the digital economy in a way that continues to bring a digital edge to the business. Now that's it for today, a short video. Hope you enjoyed this explanation of the key differences between digital transformation and digital strategy, of digital strategy versus IT strategy. In the next edition of Tech Walk with Surav video series that we have here, we will discuss the future of digital health and why it's important and essential for us to understand what the future holds for the way we access healthcare. Thank you very much, everyone, and I hope you stay safe, and wherever you are, enjoy. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.